G'day folks, well if you didn't know what a smart UHF was, well allow me to show you. This is the brand new Uniden Xtrak 80 Pro, and it's not just a UHF radio, it does a whole lot more than that. And the big thing that it does is actually location sharing. So you can actually hook this up to the Xtrak Pro app, and that shows you where the person that's using the UHF actually is located on a really detailed map. Now, the important thing is that this unit also integrates with the Xtrak 50 Pro, which is the handheld equivalent of this UHF CB radio. So it really is a cool feature, particularly if someone's going to go on a short bushwalk and you want to know exactly where they are. You simply message them, and the moment they talk back to you, you can pinpoint their location. But that's not the only great feature. Another good one is the fact that you've got this really nice big clear OLED screen, and it is anti-glare, so it doesn't matter what the weather's doing outside, you can always see what's going on in here. It's also got a very handy replay function, and that replays the last transmission. Really handy, particularly if you've got the stereo turned up or something like that and you miss that transmission. Rather than having to get someone repeat themselves, hit the replay button and you're laughing. But probably one of my favorite features is the new magnetic base. I've been using this magnetic base in trial format for quite a while, and it is an absolute cracker. No sort of having to line things up, you just get in the vicinity, it locks on with a really strong magnet. You can go over all sorts of rough roads. I've literally driven across the continent of Australia with this and it did not fall over once. So just a really great feature. Every single time you pick it up, it is just so easy to relocate back on its mount. Another feature it's got is simply a really good quality loudspeaker, and that is just so important when you're traveling out in the bush. And that is, I think, the big difference between a good quality UHF and a pretty average one is the quality of that speaker. So there you go folks, the new Uniden Xtrak 80 Pro. Check it out for yourself.